Real quick, if you want to learn how to do your own ram air headlight, I actually made a how-to video on how to do this. It's going to be available on Flyride's lighting course. I don't know if it'll be available by the time this video comes out. Probably not, because it's a lot more footage to edit. I shot it, and Chris from Flyride is actually editing it. I will leave a link to it down below and to his YouTube channel. Check it out if you can. It will probably most likely cost some money for the actual lighting course, but check it out. It's a great course. You can learn anything and everything you want about lighting, including this ram air headlight.